Hey guys, as usual, downloadable recipe for you. Metric measurement included. With this recipe, it is fail-proof, fastest, easiest, super moist and tender, and extra delicious with an irresistible spread. Let's get right to it. Preheat the oven to 375. Grease and flour our pan to prevent sticking. Just tap and spin on the countertop. Cut and melt cold butter in microwave for 45 seconds to a minute. Moving on to the mixing, and thanks to my hassle-free method, it cannot be any easier. I literally add all ingredients in, then manually mix up a bit to prevent spattering before beating for just 1 minute. Scrape the bowl and stir to blend well. Some tap to pop large bubbles and bake for just anywhere from 20 to 26 minutes. Just depends on your oven. While waiting, we'll make this absolutely delicious honey cinnamon butter spread. Start with microwaving cold butter for 30 seconds to soften the butter, and beat with the rest of ingredients until light and creamy. This spread is also go amazingly well with any dinner rolls. Trust me, everyone loves it. The cornbread is beautifully done now. Toothpick test should come out clean and some cracks show properly baked. The best time to serve is when the cornbread is still warm, like 5 to 10 minutes after done baking. Spread a thin layer of the whipped butter and oh boy, it's just absolutely yummy. Here's a tip, if your serving time is still going on after 20 minutes, you can cover the pan. That will keep the cornbread stay warm and moist for another hour. If you like the video or the recipe, you may help my small channel with like, comment, and share this video on your social media. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.